Hello, I was here for in the X of the original my church and I say a very big welcome and a very big good evening to you all. As usual, my name is Ike Soft Original, the only original on the internet, the only original on the internet, aka the controversial man, aka Hakabiani Ghana, aka obi antumi nye obi ahwe ɛwɔ mmerɛ obi anya obi ahwe. Na I want us to continue what we were learning the other day today. Yeah, I want us to continue what we were learning the other day today on how we could probably make money on the internet. So, ɛnɛ yɛba abɛtoa so na ɛnɛ no mene mo bɛkɔ no boot for boot. Yeah, ɛnɛ yɛ kwasiada. So I will really love to explain a lot. You understand? I would really love to explain a lot to some nneɛma bi a ebetumi aboa wo. Mepacho, your internet is your internet. Your bundle belongs to you. Don't let anybody tells you what to use your bundle for. Don't use your bundle for something which wouldn't bring you vision and prosperity. It's never good. So let me start by saying, sir, I think 3 days ago, I came live and then I was talking about how you can use ChatGPT and other free AI stuff to make money online. You see, money doesn't grow on trees, right? Whereby you can just climb up there and then, get the money. Or they say, sika in and internet is one of the biggest assets, but you actually don't know. So what I say, internet now you use, I mean the internet we have, the internet we used to know, it is one of the biggest assets, but people don't know, and let's say people haven't realized that they can use the internet to make money. Oh yeah, content creator crana. There are some things beyond my bit to me first so bit to me the digital asset. Na ɛyɛ a na ebi mo feel sɛ yɛ start ya na yɛbɛyɛ ne ayɛ no. Ma mentwa mu adeɛ bi wɔ ha. I want to show you something today. Never say me try adeɛ bi just to encourage you not to give up. And then me ba be try adeɛ bi a wɔn mo feel sɛ wɔn na wɔn yɛ the intelligence people no ɛwɔ internet no so they will never teach you. They will never tell you what it is. They will never tell you how to go about. And me ba be try one of the asset to me making me and then to me mommy making me first ever 10,000 Ghana cedis. That was I think that was 8 years ago. And then to me mommy making me first 10,000 Ghana cedis. And I'm not lying, I'm not bragging. And I want to show to you now signing the is still in handy. Na uyo be a oton digital asset and I say uwonim die bi a opese what the ba internet in so a yeah what the ba internet in so Emma obi etuminya access to and I say opese obi etumi to digital asset bi a that is what I'm going to talk about, Me baba cho send ya net here. One of the digital asset I created about 8 years ago, and it was able to fetch me money up to 10,000 Ghana cedis. Into me baba cho na and they are AI aye common yi. What to me use na also what to me they make sika kakra. Just as I said, obi anyone more baba chero ne source of income out to me de make money our internet way so that a one be. Enti na mo bi na da o, mo bi nka asem ntu trim, mo bi mfo so mo bi honye wahi. Na mum no try say internet na we use you will make good use of it. You understand? We bet you may use internet no. Na etumi aboa wo na bibia so etumi aye kama. Ma mencho wade I had this project. That was menka ne sɛ nkra that was 8 years ago. Na me deɛ what I say me deɛ with VB.net, and these are some of my VB.net project works I did, and I was selling them. What I say, I was selling the ebook. I want to open one of the ebooks so you see. If I me the chairman how na isifate. Besa me the chairman how na ebook no isifate. And today I'm going to show you how you can do same and sell your digital asset, even with even it might also be possible that it will be coming up with expiration. You understand? Mamenko a year one of May na me shadi. I want to search. Maybe some download it. I want to download. I think somebody call one of my cloud drives in my shadi. Yeah, maybe some choma di bi na me de chemo. Yeah, inti and then no ebi a wo ani da so bi se wo pese wo tro books ton. Na then maybe mamo tricks bi a which media make it easy money. Nice BBI kama. Bro, please, how far with the match? But your match Ben I'll come once me. Can you elaborate on the match? Kofi, can you elaborate on the match? If I can be able to know which match you are talking about, I'll be very happy to know which match you are talking about. All right. Mame has me who and I'm downloading this here. Yeah, mame. Microsoft video editing software. Okay. I think say me who. Yeah, me who is somewhere here. Maybe say me be the chairman na me ma mo hu senia esitie. Na me who crowd try and play along because I did that like 8 years ago. And then it to me ma me making my first 10,000 Ghana cedis. I won't just as I always say, I won't lie to you for no reason. I will never ever lie to you for no reason because telling lies only expose who you are, and it never brings you everything. Oh, microphone is this one. Hold on, let me show you. Watch on my main show. Why? My main show microphone. With me to be is this one. You see this type of microphone. So I'm using USB Type C, and I made a stream. So you can get some from the internet. I mean from the stores. Yeah, very affordable. Yeah, very 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 affordable. Yeah. All right. I'm greeting you from London. I want to bless 5 people interested people to shoot test me now. Pacho, your mother, your father, your siblings, they are more than 5. Can you please go ahead and then bless them for me? They are more in demand than your platform is. So yeah, we are looking for knowledge, not money. Thank you. Kindly text me the name of the microphone. Sincerely, it's been a long time, so I don't really remember the name, but I'll try my best to see if I can find a way and then get you the name. All right, and maybe where to purchase one. Yes, inti ebusua internet no so no sika wo ho. It's just that you are not getting to know how to fake the money. It's just that you are not getting to know how to fetch the money. You are not getting to know how to fetch the money. Ma mention what the mpacho book ni nie. Ebi obi beka say I kene enum dwade. Oba obi dwa n'enum saa. Ma mention what the book ni nie. Any flip book 2. Where is it? Once back on flip book 1, mepe 2 no. And on person me downloading na me mamohwe. Any flip book where Mr. Fly obi app obi a me build man 8 years ago. A flip book. I saw flip book. Over where okay, hold on. Let me go to the very top. And then be the more I'm watching in a moon stay. I want to impact some new knowledge in you. so that you can use it to make some money. So Flipbook way. Okay, where is zip? I need the exe. Oh yeah, there you go. Any book flip. You see this book flip. Let's see the date I built this. I mean, I say if I can show you here. We must almost need any detailed biao. I mean, say me click so a ebeka bibi atwere me. I don't know if maybe me click so a aha here. You see the file was uploaded 2020. It was 2026. And cry 6 years ago. Nti adeɛ wei no meyɛɛyɛ no mede kan di ho sika ansa na mede ba bɛto ɛyɛ me media fire ama nkurɔfoɔ asan so ahyɛ aseɛ atɔ ne foforɔ. So I uploaded this executable file onto my media fire platform 2020. Saa adeɛ wei na etumi maa me make me very first 10,000 Ghana cedis. And I'm not lying to you. I'm going to show you how you can become a digital content creator to make money. Okay, so if you don't know who I am, let me explain to you. Me yɛ nipa bi a I educate people on all round. If you want to learn how to make money on the internet, if you want to learn a new skill, whatever the skill is actually going to be, that is how I am blessed. And nothing can change it. Obi wo the knowledge, but they don't have the spirit of teaching. Me, that is what God has, made me. Bibia mede me nsa bɛso bia ɛyɛ nhyira. Na ɛsiane sɛ ɛyɛ nhyira nti wɔn a kɔ school ɛde sika kɔkɔtɔ saa nimdeɛ no a yɛn nkɔtɔ no ɛyɛ a na wɔn yɛ jealous paa. Nti no nnɛ no meba abɛkyerɛw saa nneɛma wei na meyɛn download the software wei. Mebakyerɛw ɛnyɛ virus, ɛnyɛ bibia. Ɛyɛ ade a me build yɛ around download any. Is a book flip download. It's just an advert which is showing any download. You see, it's just a dear me build here over 8 years ago. And I want to share the experience, the journey I was able to pass through to do this. But your content be digitally, and our course be more your friend say importation course ne. Hey, people are duping you guys because obj a PDF for document na no so you're reselling. And then maybe sanya is ifatia. So this is the book flip. It's just a piece of software, right? It's just a piece of software. Wadama mi ankasa me build it. Mi ana me tena ase a me to me bua me build it. Nana e contain any. This is it. Yeah, I think you could probably see it very well. This is it. Pachomuhu. This was my book. I built this book 2018, I think 2017, 2018. Okay, so me worry 2016. So I think say me and son me worry. So it's even more than 8 years now making. Yeah, this was my very first software. A PDF version. I'm to me making my first 10,000 Ghana cedis. VB.net practicals. Sad time no na me din na nye iSoft. Na ye iSoft. At that time na me din na nye iSoft. Na ye iSoft. Once more muhu. So 10 practicals guiding you on how you can become a developer. How you can become a developer. How has it how has it befitted you? Can you elaborate on that? I want to know what you mean so I can give you the better understanding or the better your friend saying answer. So tell me, bro, how has it befitted you? I don't understand. Mankusku ane boarding. In the batch of breaking it down, mommy. Why? Adama breaking it down, mommy. All right. So with this software, I was able to do it. You can even peel it from the top here, you see, or you can peel it from the down here. A software see. You are talking about benefit and many free so. Oh, when I make say benefit in the And then the to me me cash out my very first 10,000 Ghana cedis. That was around 8 years plus ago. Yeah, I was able to cash out my um benefited me. Yeah, it was one of my very first breakthrough. And as at now, it still sells because it still sells because I still have somewhere people still buys it. So that software way it went internationally. Ɛkɔ abɔnten, ɛtumi nkɔfoɔ wɔ aburokyire a wɔtotɔ ne nyinaa. Because by then no na mewɔ ɛyɛ YouTube channel a na aborɔfo na ɛhwɛ. If you want to know who exactly I am and how I started this, you can go on YouTube and then search for Ike Tech channel. That will give you the overview of where I started, what I have gained, and what I have now. Let's put wealth aside. I have knowledge. I have gained a lot of experience, and trust me, it's worth it. At that time, not AI more my 8 years ago plus not AI my. So there was nothing like AI. So we are building it's just a desktop software version. So let me show you the content. It was a list of PDFs. Yeah, a PDF files. A PDF files like A4 when me designing in Photoshop as my cover. And what I did was say me PDF me way, and this is how it looks like. Hold on, let me just find a way to show you. Let me see. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, at that time no nami HOD for HOD for Notre Technologies. Notre Technologies was one of the early state IT institution bar Ghana. And shall I din there, but a early stage technology institution bar Ghana. Se me zoom in you see, let me zoom in. Once I waha Notre. Satam na me logo way near frame me iSoft. Na nye iSoft near frame me iSoft by then. Saa time no na obi a wafo so ne manya competition no. Saa time no KG1. Saa time kra no onyamba computer mu ye. But at that time we building innovations. We were building the future. What they say. Okay, so this was the table of content it had to the programmer. Who to me with this software now me build it and I say handout now me build it now to me create a media player, to me create a web browser, to me create text to speech software. Inti me say nay AI to me be chat GPT no kasa enye nwanwa me build this such system about 9-10 years ago. Inti me no enye me nwanwa, and I can prove you wrong. This is it. Creating a text to your friend TTS, text to speech. Me building my I have over 5,000 students. Yeah, I'm mature my dear. Majority of them are successful. Yes. Creating a loading screen, creating a login sign up, working with data grid view, creating a teaching software, creating a PDF reader, creating a simple HTML editor, creating executable files. We mo ye nneoma me kyerɛ no at that time. Yeah, we mo ye nneoma me kyerɛ no at that time. So me can't nneoma me kyerɛ no at that time. I mean, this was actually how it was. Now, my main show. So say I had the preface. So it was about Visual Basic. It was about Visual Basic. And I was talking about how by then, about 10 years ago, now people are eager to learn programming, but they were not having the right way to learn because at that time, you used to with YouTube, but YouTube videos wasn't enough. So and then I build a sa tool way and as a sa PDF way. And what I have me thumbnails I have all the thumbnails. All the thumbnails are here. Into every page I click, it opens. And it was so amazing to a point, say they loved it. Into to me, mami nyeska. And that time, none not three enya official permission a ne yɛtumi kɔkyerɛ schools adeɛ. Enti no me sɛ sɛ na America no me ma kyerɛ schools over 200 adeɛ. Schools teachers onyɛ sɛ school nkɔraa no yɛn ne yɛkyerɛ teachers nadeɛ ma kyerɛ school teachers adeɛ over 200. Obi oyɛ teacher ni a wakyerɛ adeɛ from 10 years ago. Ebe nyinaa yɛn yɛtutu kwan yɛakɔ Volta region, Northern region, Kumasi ne Accra deɛ fala Accra. Obi onim me biara bɛ testify sɛ ne America na yɛnokɔ. So this was one software na ɛyɛ me ultimate weapon. Yɛkɔ workshop biara na I give to them, I sell to them. Na me turn them on. They say, ɛno ne maa me making me very first 10,000 Ghana cedis. So that was 10 years ago. 10 years ago. And the man to me making my first 100 million titisikano. Okay, so now my cho send it here. So me book no in a way say any about show chapter 1 creating a media player. And you see that time na AI might ni me a friend AI cry because 10 years ago na AI might. And until na me yen say me call Photoshop na ma croppy nyoma na me yen na me de akɔ Photoshop na me create A4 sheet na ma arrange wo so na ma chocho nti ade a wo hu wa bia na nye AI na build it me ba chocho no so me se me build it 10 years ago ni enti ohwa creating a new project actually baby abefa panel no how abesifa add the window player, how abesifa add the buttons, how abesifa arrange no creating a media player. And as over this side and so on, a code behind each button. Code behind each button. It is not it was something they were dying to have it. And a way of creating a web browser. You see, creating a web browser. It was really amazing. Creating a chapter, creating a text-to-speech software. O choncho ebigu a text box now me read out louder. Ne no e kind e de mouth. Enti na make us amazing ne o my AI aba na AI no utumi ne e chat utumi ne kasa e conversate a me enye me nwa because I did that way back. My yebi pain enye den. All right. And chapter 4, creating a loading screen. On the software be on my obi yana I be load this sanaba. Ni na me chere sadie we na me chere no. Just as I'm saying, me ye ho course, ye ho training for since almost 10 years ago now. You see, so why am I telling you this? This is very important. Why am I telling you this? This is the back of the book. Yeah, Mama Chow, the back of the book. This was the back of the book. I want you to read it. VB.net Practicals about this book. This book will help every beginner, people's students in programming VB.net using Visual Studio software. The purpose of this book is to help people's students to know the basics in coding. By the end of the lesson, in the book, you will be able to create your own computer desktop softwares as shown in the book. All exercises are carefully structured to help programmers to gain a basic level of understanding, which will help them to know what to do as a programmer. How to understand some basic string, statement, declaration, as well as variables and the rest. This book can be used by the general public, students and teachers. The authors, Medina Wohono, Eduamankwa Isaac, and this was my title, Head of Programming Department, Notre Technologies. And yen neni ra IT nim. Enti obi ba no be claim say baby, ewo IT ma munya nonka, or yonim ni okeka, munya nonka. Akon James, ono na satam no ye national president for Ghana National Association of ICT Teachers. Ono na no oye president of that. Ena Owusu Isaac, ono so na no oye Notre Technologies, Notre World Technology CEO. Ena na me head of programming department. Even Ghana National Association of ICT Teachers, and also maybe head of programming department. Inti yen baby ya build a journey ne free no. Who say my build it software bit to say antivirus. Who say my build it software bit to say custom system be a unique, a powerful, a man because where I started from is very far. I never acquired the knowledge within 2 or 3 weeks, within 1 or 2 years. It took me decades to build myself. Enti obia to me entina baby enkase mimi ni mi ameye. Nyabetin abontin be about to go. They are just jealous of my knowledge. That is what I would say. Thank you. So, without wasting much time, why are we having today's edition? This is one of the most interesting question I know people will be asking me. Ike, we know that obi kan se wo brage o kasa dodo wonim hwe wabon inti ne deɛ na wo ba bɛkyerɛ yɛ. I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make digital asset comes true. You can work hand in hand to make money online. Let's look at this. Enkora eye adeɛ bi a Awurade ahyɛ da abɔ mo special. And so what targeting Quran for something you are doing. Now say if it becomes very useful, very interesting, it to me blow pa. Sincerely, it to me blow. So what I want us to do is to create educational software whereby kids can learn, kids can use to learn. I mean, parents will be loving to buy for their kids, right? I'm going to use this as an example for you to base on that to build your own version. You are build a landing page, yeah. You are build a landing page, and after that landing page, but after that landing page, I would like for you to build your own and then you sell it, and it's going to be amazing. All right. All right, maybe me go. All right. Pacho, thank you for the gift. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you for the gift. I really appreciate it. Oh, Nedi Yameko. There be many obi in tokwa. Me mo be attention. And Nedi Yameko. Why? Nedi Yameko. I don't have time for anybody. When I'm what time the mamo. Anything I'm wasting my time. My baba. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Yes, we are here to learn. We are not here for anybody. Okay, so one thing at a time. We have to understand how these things works, right? You see, the internet itself has a whole lot of things we can look at. We can write an ebook. We can write 100 ways to succeed in life. You can write whatever you want to write. But let's see something. Yonko Google. Maybe in her kids learning kids English learning books with illustrations. Okay. Nianko image. On these type of books no. Eno na rainy CCA. So, you know what we are going to do? Let's build a storybook. Yeah, build this storybook which we can sell to kids. And I will show you something amazing you can do with it. You see, I have this software. Me pacho. Your friend of Flip PDF Professional. Eno. Ena me de build it. Oh, no, almost see I didn't know. Me de registration key. Egu adi me. Me so me ready say me cracky BBL. I don't want to do anything concerning cracking. Cause one person me di boni and you me ba ma Omo pese me ye nyankoma de enyum but I don't know. Let me try and see if I can do something around it. Mebao. I want to say something. I want to say something. Yes, me to menya. I don't want to crack it because me were live, so me person may crack it. I don't want to do anything about it. Okay, my man here there. Me name the reason why I say me be a crowd. So why is it telling me to buy? Oh, I can hit on the try. Oh, facha me why? Say na name to me a try and so. Maybe I didn't need that no. Yeah, previous crowd. Okay, so this was the software I used to build the PDF, right? So we have demos now. A lot of demos, yeah, and any here you can even play videos in it. Me say me ba money making, me be ma money making machine. What the me live on the sosa, enko baby enko baby tina me live on the sosa. Me ba be yeah, believe. Ko sign it up ewo plugbundle.com. Omo API ni very very powerful. Omo sound so omo data prices no form. I think say we contact you omo crampona they can give you affordable data prices if you are connecting to your own um database, your own system, like your own website. You call plugbundle.com. Why? Plugbundle.com. Plugbundle. Plugbundle.com. Plugbundle.com. My main show, plugbundle.com. Plugbundle.com. So any Oko plugbundle.com. Plug bundle.com. Any plugbundle.com. Yeah, okwa na any say net here. Ti okwa na wako create one. Na wa sign it up. Kama pa. Hey, Obi Tech Solution. Me pa cho he abusiafo. Nea ye kan nyina no wo computer obetumi aye ama na ye kama. Mbacho ma hu se comment bi abasisi e. Ma hu se comment bi abasisi e from Obi Solutions Tech owadum he ya. Na Obi nyambo ochina me ba o. Once me catch us na me ba ho. Me ba be pe laptop ketua bi a me de me your friend is saying Ubuntu beguso. Oh, and on me de be focus wo me nyankoma de bi a me ye. Ti mo pe computer say laptop say dey mo pe drive de bi a concern tech bi ampacho ma monko Obi Solutions ewo edum. Obi send your number ne mame na me mo modern fa number ne to so me sure so mo so no obi ba no bo me din abema a very good discount enti no send your number mame either my DM or my WhatsApp na me fa number ma wo na wo ntumi en contact you I was yan say me no I come here I tell you the tech stuff enti so per computer to now per say me recommendation this man is the best person I can ever recommend for you. To per laptop at toi. Do not go elsewhere. Me patro ne wasono. Untua me kase me nya advertimano. I'm telling you what I believe in. I'm telling you what I testify to. Enti mo de mo boni profile ne so mo boni profile ne so ono na me pin in a comment. Once me pin comment BCCA or say I'm waiting for you my boss. On sa comment ya me pin monko ni profile mo. Momra na mo di adanse. Open computer biato, laptop biato, gaming laptop. Open ye bebo GTA 6 krana contact no. Obema very 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 good machine sounds so yeah affordable. Me that's it. All right. So this was the software I used back then. Now, come to a point say, we missing we minya 10 years ago. Intina me to me yena ebo video. Me to me yena eje nyoma bebre nti he we one of them demo. You see, it gives them table of content. To me hover so Utumi hover, it gives you amazing stuff. Amazing. So imagine having kids learning books. So having kids learning books. What you say? As just say, Obana hover was so na and navigate with the wako. And most interesting part is utumi create the YouTube video link eshim. Oh, I was yeah. Where dear fella? Where dear fella? Wamamo discount. Wamamo discount. You open laptop at so wa crass so he contact no. O contact na. Catch and say, "Ufri me ho." Eneba obema o discount. Obetu say who obema o very very good discount. Yes. So yeah. This is how the flipbook does. It also has your friend is saying a button. Utumi the button shim. Utumi click it. Hey, will pop-ups. Bro, trust me. Any utumi click na poppy image naba. Utumi slide the images. No true. It is our software way na me see me using ya me making my first 10,000 Ghana cedis by then. It is very very interesting. Here you see, even you can play videos inside your PDF. And this software, trust me, bro, I won't lie to you. I will never lie to you. Oh, and yeah, magic, Jinaso, and a video near Odia. Magic, I'm telling you, you make 50,000 out of this. Trust me. Oh, they just bear with me. Magic, Jinaso copy se maybe you will make your first 50,000. Just trust me. Magic, who the Jimmy D? Aha. Who the Jimmy D? Just Jimmy D keke. Now they're practicing what I'm telling you. So it has a lot of things. It has a lot of things. Yeah, you can even navigate to pages. It has photo gallery. Into person with the picture crash. Ebia. Oh, Charlie. Hey, it has amazing stuff. So this is what I used to build our text. I'll be to me read the text. Our new baby. Now, only one thing. Utumi set expiration at the mother software. It will turn the movie. You can give it to Nipano for 6 months. After 6 months, will renew. I tell you, bro. And you see, I'm not just bluffing. Oh yeah, ubetumi on the desktop, ubenya the Mac. No, what sounds when no Android. I can go here. I can switch from iPhone. So me build the iPhone version. This is how it's going to open on my iPhone. It is a whole person the mom or tablet, so you will be able to get the tablet version. You see, very, very, very clean. Very, very, very clean. Very, very. It sounds so a nice sound effect. You see, very, very clean. Mobile phone so. And then you say be a link be na generate amao. Generate amao APK. I'll be to media to Play Store and App Store. Bro, me see me the idea we ye disca me the storybooks ama nkofo nkwara agiska pen de me na me bi nkyerɛw ade and then me ka say de me ka de me sem me ka de me word na omo ba hypocrites na omo ntia ase no omo ne me abenya ntokwa no me ya na mpese me kyerɛw proof enye se bia ya na me pese me kyerɛw proof keke se ne be ya wo hu se wo be hu se ne America no asempa na America no. Now, open iPad. This is how we pure iPad. So, in Tinkorano iPad no mu use na mo pese and can mu create be content be the ma woman. You see, you get them like this. Then the kids will be learning. In the Akorano, obetumi be book no. Obi a say nebeye. Wow, no ready or she video mommy finger, where are you? I am. How do you do? Now Korani feeling. Now Mame Chawa, they say me a publisher. Let me show you something. From publish any or true for me dance in you abruchly. Me to me a publishing as a website. Me to me a publishing as a software exe. Me to me a publishing for MacBook. You see MacBook. Me to me a publishing for FBR. FBR and just me to me a convert it to a mobile app. Even I can convert into a WordPress plugin. Then I could just plug into my website. Trust me, bro. Trust me. This is serious. Trust me. Internet the publishing has a lot of things you could probably do. You understand? And even if you are building as a software, you can choose to add password over advanced hardware. You can set an app icon, set a password, set a product when the product should be expiring. Charlie, this is a digital asset. This is a digital asset. Mema onim die way for free. Enti yɛnhwɛ adeɛ. Now, what we want to do is to build a storyline for kids. Na ɛkɔyɛ book bi a nkwaraa betumi de asua adeɛ with illustrations. So, first thing first, we need ChatGPT. First thing first, we need ChatGPT. Mepacho me si yehia deɛ ChatGPT. Yehia ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So I will open my ChatGPT. I will have ChatGPT. Maybe a ChatGPT. So since I have my ChatGPT, I am going to create a folder, right? Maybe a creative folder on this side. And this folder, I will just give it a name. Like, I'll just create a new folder by clicking on the project. Let's call this Kiddie Book. Kiddie Book. You see, it be a kiddie book. Oh, I'm recording me. Yeah, me to me YouTube or you can watch it. So kiddie book. I just click on create project. Yeah. Now I have kiddie book inside my ChatGPT. Perfect. Now this is what I'm going to do. This is all about storyline, right? So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, say, I want to create 10 stories with illustrations for kids from 6 month up to 12 or 13 years. Let's plan this up first. So first command that mediama and say me pese wo ma me 10 storylines for storybooks. Me to me ede abuild for enkwara. Enkwara ne betumi ebie wo omo computer so. Amanaye with illustrations. So wamame a lot of things. Wamame based on the age from 6 to 12 months. But I don't know. What say it was say omame a target, right? So we or say propose 10 story collections. First one, friend of baby Kofi sees the world. This is amazing storyline. Trust me. And as I say, from 6 to 12 months, a baby discovered the sun, moon, tree, birds, mama, daddy, and colorful objects, right? So main learning, colors, sounds, recognition, and bonding. Illustration would dominate the page with text such as yellow sun, hello sun. Okay, the ChatGPT is good when it comes to thinking. Trust me, ChatGPT is one of the ways you can think and then be good at it. Please, the topic for today's lesson is how we can make money on the internet through digital product or digital marketing. All right, so are we doing this live and lunch to make money and show progress? If you want it to be so, it could, but hey, I'm just showing you the way. I am not intending to do this to sell it out there, right? I'm showing you how to do it because I myself, I actually don't have time. Me share any time. Me no work say computers say try me ho ahia code edit the ne nyinaa so. Meka code a mekyerɛ programming software a me wɔ nnwuma bebree a wɔsɛ meyɛ. Nti sɛ mesan de wei nso bɛka ho ahwɛ a mɛbɔ dam mpo. What I say? You see, this is it. Oh, where me MacBook. Oh, other maybe a case I was many time. I don't have time at all. My time here very limited. So I'm showing you the right way to go about it. If you can sell it, thumbs up. All right. So Mimi and the nosy animal. Okay. Kwajo's missing teddy. Okay. So Rebecca said, let's forget about the age and let's go by the story list. I pay for Keza, I pay for Claude, I pay for ChatGPT, I pay for Gemini Dementia, I pay for Claude, I pay for Keza, I pay for ChatGPT, I pay for a friend is saying DeepSeek. I pay for about their 8 AI agents. Yeah, so and also count. That's why I'm powerful. Ibimu is so jealous about me, Okay, so now, Wamaye straight up to the stories. The magic mango tree, which is perfect, right? The magic mango tree. So why this list works? Blah 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 blah. So let's start with the first story. Get me a complete um story write ups for this. Also, or the Indian say, Timmy say on my first story write-ups of the very first one. So the magic mango tree in a small peaceful village around surrounded by green hills and winding footpath, there lived a cheerful boy named Kofi. Kofi lived with his mother, his father, and his grandmother in a little yellow house with a red roof. Behind their home was a wide garden where they grew tomato, peppers, cassava, and maize. But Kofi's favorite place was at the very end of the garden. That was where the old mango tree stood. It was the biggest tree in the whole village. Its branches stretched high into the sky, and its leaves were so thick that even on the hottest afternoon, the ground beneath stayed cold. So you see, this is a very interesting storyline, which ChatGPT, right? So let's go to Gemini, right? Gemini, gemini.google.com. And also, yeah, one of the reliable sources I made rely for um image generation, right? So Meka and say I'm writing a storybook with illustrations for kids. And here is the very first story. Create a PDF containing your own generated images for the illustrations, and make sure we get at least at least five at least 5 pages for the story, right? Then Mako chat GPT right now. No my copy way, right? I just copy the entire storyline, very, very long one. Now my baha, now my paste it. Now my man notes, right? So discussion questions. I don't want discussion questions. Story ends having many things, not blah blah blah. Okay, so story lesson in it. I don't want any discussion questions, right? So just like this, I'll say make sure images or illustrations are visible enough since kids are the ones going to read this, as well as the text sizes too. Me bacho me manku square ne brodi ne board nti me brofo no nya na wafa ne saa. So yenhwɛ ade a ɛyɛ Gemini betumi ayɛ ama yɛ. Yenhwɛ sɛ Gemini betumi a ade ase yenhwɛ sɛ Gemini betumi a or create image. But I mean, I want to see if Gemini could create a PDF version of this. Right. I'm just being curious. I just want to see how Gemini will be able to do this. Right. So let yanko ChatGPT. Nianka say Based on the very first story we have, please create a PDF with illustrations and pages for this very first story, so I can preview to see how it will be. Yeah, sure. Between ChatGPT and Gemini, which one is probably going to be? What laptop do you use? The specs. Right now, no, me using MacBook. I use MacBook 2018, MacBook Pro Retina display 2018. I'm a user, but apart from that, me using system units like a setup desktop computer setup. And then na Monday, make a computer, make a laptop for ɛwɔ OB solutions hɔ no. Nti sɛ wo nso wopɛ bi a mpakyɛ kɔ na kɔhu OB solutions. Ɔbɛma very very nice laptop a ɛbɛtumi ama wayɛ wɔ adwuma no nyinaa. What I say? Wode wokɔ abɔmidin, ɔbɛma discount. Did I hear please in the prompt? Share. Masa yɛ Ghana fo, yɛ ni bra bre no. Bro, hey, na Ghana di obetumi agya please wɔ hɔ. Ghana di obetumi agya please wɔ. Hey, na please there, na yɛ di atete yɛ. Wow. Gemini is serious. Gemini is serious. You ever share how it integrates into the PDF? The magic blah blah blah. Oh, Gemini is weak. Gemini is very weak in story writing. Trust me. Gemini is very weak in story writing. You ever heard what ChatGPT could probably do? Hey, ChatGPT is the goat. ChatGPT is the goat. Me say ChatGPT a goat. Gemini, bye bye. Yempe Gemini be. Hey, ChatGPT a guy. Hey. La ila ilalahu. Hey. ChatGPT is serious. Oh, I swear. Okay. Now, let's. Now I see that you have all 20 pages in one design. So let's start by generating separate images individually. Never please use as well. Never please use as please. Yeah, Ghana for. Yeah, Ghana for. Never please use as name and generating a 1-1. It is see or be generating a 1-1. Yes, yeah. One day, it depends on how you guys will be happy with this kind of content. I'll come back and then we will transform this magical story into how do I say this? We will transform this magical story into a video version. What do you say? Mama, I am sick. Oh, yeah, no worries. I think ChatGPT has already given me some 10 stories. So let's just probably go by it. Yeah, sure how ChatGPT is probably going to do the whole thing. Yeah, Wamaye design all right, which the design was really great, really great. Yeah. Okay, so Eddie can generate first image. So what we have to do, hey, me pay image. I never said. So let's do it in batch. Option 1, generate pages 1 to 10. Okay. So young can say yes, proceed. But make sure images are separated and not combined as one image. Yeah, odi kan ma me one image wa ha na me share dan check it. As ini na me share dan check. But there for reference sake into my men download into. For reference sake, into my main downloading to all generate your very first image. But whilst all generating, the moment you share image now, Chat GPT the Maya. Hey, just say I don't know what Chat GPT is capable of not doing anymore. When it comes to story writing, this thing is good. Oh, wow! In a small peaceful village, lived a cheerful boy named Kofi. Behind his house stood a very old tree. Wow, the tree number. Anyway, but there was one strange thing about the tree. It has never grown a single mango. Wow. Okay. One night, a tiny golden light appeared among the branches. It flicked and disappeared. Wow. Hey, ChatGPT, a living legend. The next morning, Kofi ran outside. A golden mango was hanging from the tree. Wasanso a consistent a follow akrano. Why consistent a follow akrano? When they open it, the sweetest mango filled their mouth with joy. Hey, Kofi nie. The next morning, another mango appeared. Inside were fruit, red strawberries. How can you tell me a mango can grow strawberries? Hey, atrope ni ChatGPT. Na say we will come now at the end of the day we feed my busiani na mama hene opachre. From that day on, the real magic of the tree was not in the gift. It was in the joy of sharing and caring for others. Make I atrope ni ChatGPT. Hey, Kofi has three hands. One, mami. Hi, ChatGPT. Tibo, away. Hey, Kofi. Kofi Nzamienza. Abuskeleke. Oh, chairman. ChatGPT is the GOAT. It's the GOAT. Come on, you got to be kidding me, bro. What the? Mami creative folder. My friend on stories. Okay, so my friend on story one. Okay, me de baha. Wait there, me downloading in story one. Download. Hey, ChatGPT the B. I tell you, ChatGPT is the GOAT. Is the GOAT. I feel the mommy be could answer baby mo akwa no consistent there. Hey, ChatGPT. Yes, they say the coffee needs a 4 beam, only inside 3 beam. Muzika besa. Mi tia o. Yeah. Mi tia ni bi. Sa omo 20 CD ni bia. Eno bia. Say no they give you the chance to friends and generate unlimited images. It's just I mean sometimes don't be greedy. Chia kakra. I say. So I'm downloading all of them. May download all of them. Hey, now Kofi Osunu nyina susu awhe. Hey, Kofi. Sorry, the Kofi ayen baby back home. Okay, we are ready. So we see we have one. Hey, Obi Baji Kofi Mango. Okay, so you continue. So you can say continue next batch. Okay. Do you know any serious books publisher in Kumasi? I don't write books like that. I only write books for my courses, and I'll just say no. I don't. I don't know anybody like that. All right. Yeah, I believe you guys are really enjoying this. And I'm back me too futu ogumani ana. Oh, ChatGPT. Wasan generating nyina san bombium. Okay. Wasan generate your friend say image ni nyina abom biom, which we don't like it that way. Enti mame send in here. Why is it not okay? ChatGPT Mr. Menyimi mengu mani masekra na tamfo pamie nyame. ChatGPT Mr. mengu mani mase. I beg you. Atamfo pamie nyame Mr. Mr. Why? Atamfo pamie nyame. Best brain publication. I don't know because Charlie, I don't publish books, so I have no idea on that. Okay, so let's see. Or generate one story per ediamaye. Now me they show how you can use it to build the book, right? Make sure how they build the book. No, nafe yeah. Name of the software. Name of software again. How can I join your master class? Oh dear, mommy, we will talk about that. We will talk about that. Abusua, and then me buy ye nipa baako pɛ na gift me too. Mon gift me. Ade a yesua yi, ɛyɛ very important. Ade a yesua yi, ɛyɛ very very important. But once mon gift me, patcho mon gift me train. Whilst I ye train mon gift me. Wadama. Wadama, mon gift me. Ah, na ChatGPT kra de na hana. Was I generate a whole new thing? Oh, hey. Okay, what there? You can take your time and then rebuild. So far, I have like 18 images, right? I have like 18 images. Let's see. I think it's in the downloads stories. I have, yeah, 18 images. So you see, I have all these images, which is very, very interesting, right? This is the cover. You see, it's very nice. Trust me, it's very, 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 very beautiful. Right? This is the very first one. So, without wasting much time, Yanko PDF book, Yanko file. Yeah, we go to file, new project. Right? We are going to create a new project. So you bet me pick it from their templates, right? They have books and their templates, right? So bet me neat, bet me float, bet me flat, classic, slide. So to me I selected whichever one you want. We want to build like a kids learning book, so we want it to be very neat, right? And then we will choose something like we need current one. Yeah, let's try something amazing, right? And I am Fabi to say slide. Nope. Yeah, sure we. I think they spread me good. No, the main cover neat na sir. Wear black patterns. Yeah, nkora no mani e was say yeah nti mame fa black pattern way. Let me next. So from next, you see, it's asking me to use Flash or HTML5. Mami use HTML5 because Flash has been discontinued. So may use HTML5. Okay. Now it's asking me to select a PDF path, right? So I'll rather import images. So I'll just go and then here I have to add the images. So yeah, this is image 1. So you need to rename now 1. Way 2. Way 3. Way 4. Okay, way 5. Oh, where is it? Way 5. Way 6. Me rename images now. Way 7. Way 8. Way 9. Way 10. And okay, so I have 10 images, right? All right, so maybe back to aha. Now I call add files. So I'll go to the downloads. I think I have it in the downloads, right? So my select here and I mean call downloads. Yeah, now I mean call stories folder name. So inside the story, I have all the 10 images. So I just select all of them and I say open. So I have all of them starting from 10, blah, blah, blah. So I will say, keep aspect ratio, Mamiya quality settings, best quality, quality details. I mean, choose default now, so I don't want to stress myself. Okay. FTP settings. We are not connecting to any FTP. So let's just click on okay. Import. So this is probably going to import the book for us. Yeah, it's going to import the book for us. Yeah, man, a chance now a importing way. All right. Oh, sound cloud to me, yeah, but expensive. You know, I don't know. Maybe when you say won't follow me and follow me. Hmm. When you say cash, a trading, ouch, a trading. Edru Bianca demo, din. Cash, kase hit. Adiefe. Nice one. Adiefe. Ah, ebuzia mo de wonka enyefe. Enyefe. He. Ma utumi he. Oh, ba ko shase 10. I repeat it. Na ko e pass anoje. I repeat o. Eh. Masa jana cheche no na o eh. Ye ni bra bi nya butro. U repeat o mo say. Ah, go edit pages. Na we wan go square the board yana. Hey, now what? That you were repeating. Oh, hold on. But I'm reversing. Where your images, you can write text and you can edit them, but I'm not editing them right now. You could probably see, hey, editing. Hanon, I know what thing. Maybe maminya swap ni me. Udi nyabutre. Maminya swap ni me. Mamin ko save and exit. Now me has a me to me swap now because it's starting from 10, which is not that, it should start from 1, not 10. So I think say Waha baby, this is the main title. So why isn't this becoming the very first but the last? Acquired last. What the? Hold on. Maybe I have to add a book cover, right? So I can add my own cover. When me and creating new project, many who say you uploading no. I was send me to me. I was send me to me fix this issue. Hey, now they be all better than me. Me use yache. Me use is almost 10 years ni. Me use yache, but I believe I can fix it. I can find a way to arrange it very well. I know I have done that before. This is auto flip. I have done that before. My yes are the way pain. No, me number I na nanke was a boa. I just say me number I na nanke was a boa, bro. Mami apply changes na me. Ancestor na shall from 10. Dang. Asere for asere me ana. Say everybody and channel almost me. Okay, mami let me go to flash settings. I think I can. Maybe I can do reverse here. Mami share. Oh, it was settings options. Okay, mami show at the any. On there was settings menu swaha. On there was settings menu swaha. And they say almost my bone and channel almost me. I think it started from the arrangement order from story folder. I don't know, but we should be able to set from descending to ascending order. I don't know. Table of content. Edit flash control, mama. Ebi anu menya wa. No. Is it a page enumeration? Yeah, I think that will have it. Hold on. Page enumeration. What the fuck? Hold on. Still not me more. Oh, yeah, I think so. It's because of how I selected the image. You see, Pam no cham no yenko creative for. I don't want any kotoma means you be. Let's click on new project. We won't save this. Let's go in for neat and let's select the dark one. Which was it? Which one did I selected anyway? Mame, me selective way. Yeah. So yanko na yan choose HTML5. Okay. Yeah, so yanko yeah, this is where I did the mistake, right? Yan added files. So I click on, so where should I you see that is descending. So my mini can find one. Me add a file. Two. Hey, now where the other benda? That's where the other go. Five. Ha. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Okay. You click on import. Yeah, sure. Because it should be working. The bender. Eh? Need you grab 40. You have to do all this manually. Come on, flip PDF professional. You can do better than this. Come on. Kaish, Odeshi. Kaish, Odeshi. Echre din. Hey, adiye fe. Chale, adiye fe. Enye fe. It no be nice. Oh, Charlie, you just be sincere. Adiye enye fe. It no be nice. Wow. We were able to build a nice book. Dang. This is so amazing, bro. Hi. AIDB. Oh, me think me 10 years ago na nkeska me dino. Nka me kire. Wow. Wow. Umia we ya, it goes back. Amazing. Now, share from SaaS settings to bar hanom no. From SaaS to bar han. On say two bar bi wa. Our flash control, flash display, yanko flash display. Also our thickness na thicker. So pa yen selecting fanto at the thin na yen fanto thicker. Thicker no ni made eye. Hwe embossy window no. Embosses this one. Me about them aminya na thicker. Paste ni bedia ni paste yemre. Ene de nkofo benya me pa so. Paper cover page. No larger near here. Oh, I have to apply the changes first. You see, Simone. Oh, most have a Danny book and Casa Star ni biba. Simone. Who to me design and style no. I'm an yet to say book style pepe. Maybe larger de too much. Mammy no normal. May apply changes. Okay, take an idea sondo do mammy no thin. That means say we changes na me. Oh, this is neat. This is colorful. Where you come up. Magic, bet me a crack yama ba me juice ka. Aye, met me a crack yama ba me juice ka. So opedia me crack in my juice ka. Aye. And the men fancho. Opedia met me a crack yama no my juice ka. Okay. Always center book. Oh, say be a back one and center a minu always center book. And that yes, show animation page. Yes, yen show animation. Mouse drag, yes. Show thumbnails. Side thumbnails na basi ya no. Eno no enkora no emmo mo nhye da nya nti yen show. Yen hwe font size blah blah blah. Page flip time. Page flipping enabled. Like you could do a whole lot of settings here. Hardcover settings. Disabled. Let's enable it. Right? Yeah, apply here. Wow. Come on. Nice one there. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, what the mouse ne kwa say baby na Charlie. Adi ye kama. Adi ye kama he. Inti e bie or big book ni mo. Hey, this thing the be wow. It the be. Wow. Are you loving this? And I won't give to me now. To our feel saying I won't give to me now. Hmm? Oh, go feel saying I won't give to one sound follow me. Hey, ube lusu. Eh? Ube lusu. Follow me. Menyra. Eh? Wash your tongue, sir. 3 years. Ni once when you be. I had your last stop. Follow me. And not give to me more. So can they use their fingers to flip the book? Easy. If they are using iPad, tablet, easy. If this was a toucher, I'll swipe. Me swipe it. Simple cry. Easy like banana. Oh, in the Quran, tablet so this is how it's probably going to be like. iPad. They will see it like this. And sadly, you can hide it. They will see it like this. They open it, becomes like this. Amazing. Then they will be swiping it. Charlie, what are you talking about? This thing is amazing. Trust me. So amazing. Amazing. They say, and then I'm making my first 10,000 Ghana cedis about 10 years ago. Timothy Nimdiana more free. Huh? Okay. It's Yansha preload. Preload loading. Loadia. On says a page need loadia. It shows some loading. Wow. You see? Amazing. Oh, a sound was single star nibi. So where your phone so almost be in a phone so I say no be hono. Still I think they can swipe. You see? I think so make me swipe it. Wow. Hey, Charlie. I'm laughing like a kakai. I'm posing in a bozege. Oh, but Charlie, the thing be nice. Wow. I tell you, the thing be nice. Wow. Me and share animated speed no. Me and show shortcut buttons, page flip, book margins, page numbering. We already have numbering, so we don't have to number it again. Yeah, share HTML settings, Google Ads. Oh, who to me the advert crown shemu? You've got to be kidding me, bro. Me use yache. Tia say esa ye me at the fufuro bi say. Hey, I didn't know my advanced power. Charlie, it's really advanced. Mamiko to general. I have home button, first page, opening blank page. Mami two bars no. Flipping sound. Yes, a flippy a sound. Show QR. A bit me show QR code oh. Me nimbe be a QR code ni beshe mami. Where is the QR code? Anyway. Also the QR code be a beshe sura. Oh, hold on. So Miss Kania, is it good? Hold on. I say, and then me discover more features what deal with. So Miss Kania, is it gonna open it remotely for me? Hold on, let me just give it a try. Oh no, no data. Oh, the tool is not AI, oh bro. The tool is not AI. I discovered this 10 years ago. It's not AI. The tool is not AI. Mami QR code new film. I don't need that. You're removing free. And toolbar, no, I think I have to remove the toolbar. Mami here home. Show home button, thumbnails, no. Share button, no. I don't want them to share this with their friends. Yeah, because yeah, they be make iska. Zoom button. Yeah, bookmark. We don't want them to book table of contents, search. I think we don't want to show the search, right? Yeah, mom search into hide the search, which is this one. Yeah. After print button. We don't want them to print. So we will say print button no. Watermark image. Exactly. So open say what they watermark to software, so you can easily select your watermark image from here. Sound button. Show sound button. No. And only a CBA a kind of the mawa. But we will talk about that later on. Auto flip. Yanka say and auto flip it. So if you want to flip, you can let it flip. Zoom settings. Download. We don't want them to download it. Instruction button. Yeah, we need that. Let's see the display. Slide stretch. It's fine. Flip time. This is amazing. Book margins on mobile. Left. Say net here on mobile. So left, no, you bet me I can say left. Maybe I am man, maybe I bear 10 margin. Oh, on the left margin. The layer on the margin abaha. Ti ma be na mere. Wow, this is amazing. On mobile view, this is PC view. We call PC any. We a PC view. Whoa, this is amazing, bro. This is amazing, 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 amazing. Gosh, say hit another day. And then the most you be hey, me secret fan me ye go say. And so still now confusing me a fraud, confusing my bomb in him shit. Yeah, so you be winning, bro. You be cool woman, bro. You be cool woman, no, ni brutal, Okay, so what I'm going to do is that, yeah, thank you for the gift. I really appreciate it, bro. Okay, so now maybe a book way, no, I can decide to export it, right? Now, exporting is very simple. I can go to the stops here. You see, Merco publish. You see the publish. Click on the publish to. So where exactly do you want to publish to? Oh, wait to make a batch conversion. Batch conversion, it just person will convert it, they code different versions. Right. So yeah, exe, your MacBook or me we are me Mac na me run what me Mac ne so nkyere mo. Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Abuziafo kwasia we ya waba me man attention kakra na. Won say Jimmy for bi aba. Won say kwasia mpani bi aba. Oni brabo. Won say obi on pese mu besua de. Opese o divert attention no. Me man attention be 2 minutes bi on. Me man attention be 2 minutes bi on. Mama mente monka. Me man attention be 2 minutes bi. Mama me man attention be 2 minutes bi. Me wi na masan block na kan. Me wi na masan block na kan. So me man attention be 2 minutes bi a. Me wi na masan block na kan. Onya me ajo. Mama me block no. Me ignore no na masan block na kan. Okay. Enti from a high your output settings. Your exe and your zip. So first thing I want to do is to run it. It's to run it on exe, right? So me select exe now. Okay, output folder in here. So I select where I want to put the exe. Yemfa nkoto yen same folder name. Yemfa nkoto yen same story folder name. So yen select story folder. Perfect. Now is asking us for the file name. A PDF name. Yen friend is saying yen friend of the story. Yen friend of story master software. What you say? Story master software. Now caption man yen friend of story master. Okay. Now, share okay, I think you're quite advanced in what we can do. Yeah, icon. You see, so before I proceed, Mamima chat GPT and generate icon and famaye. What I say? Mamima chat GPT and generate icon and famaye. Let's say, okay. Please generate an app icon for this icon for me. Okay. Or generate app icon and mommy. And then you be use it for the software. And never buy that desktop in this one. What do I say? And then never buy that desktop in this one. Let's see. Oh, but you see, ChatGPT aye adwuma kakra. Why there? I don't lie. Why there pa? It has really done well. Why there? Why there? Why there pa? Wow, this is amazing. Oh, maybe hold on. I think my read you comment no maybe. Na say enya woni me on. Enya woni me. Bro, enya woni me. Mami won comment section I say enya woni me ana. Yeah, I just saw the message right now. Enya woni me ana. If it is not me, let me apologize officially. Enya woni me mami apologize because this time I hit it. Me, I thought you were daring me. Oh, bro, senior man, and deeply within my heart, I sincerely apologize for telling you those kind of shit. Me apologize. These guys, they've disguised themselves to come to my live always to just try and divert my attention. So I thought you were one of them. Sorry, Ebuzafo, Munyin Tumpacho, and you know why? Or refer to that guy, no, and you mean on me. Indeed, bro, fetch me why? I think I acted too quick. It's because oma tete miache. And I wanted to take matters in my own hands. This time I want to stay out of their attention. I don't want to give them attention. So I really apologize for saying that. Why? With the facha me pa. Okay. All right. Senior man, minim say one me. Minim say be one me. And not the encounter me hear comment in the crowd. Come say block you with so kafra. Why? Senior man facha me. I really apologize for that. Trust me, I apologize for that. Okay. So now, yanko back to the flipping. Niyan select an icon. You see, this is requesting for icon file, but I think we could probably use this image. Awesome. So Dini a story master. Company ne Afriland Technologies. Legal copyright. Yemfanya the 2026. Production version 1.0.0. Product name. Story master. File description. I don't know. I won't write anything. So Windows size. Maximize. Yeah, I think maximize is good. All right, here protection. So protection, I have very important, you know. With the protection, you can decide to say, me person me protecting it with password, and I say me person me protecting it with time restrictions. And so person software no expire after 6 months. You can just click on time restriction. Now I set it to um time restriction. How do I say? You can just set it to time restriction. No one setting it to time restriction till when it should be expiring. But I don't best obey any expiring or add any password. I just leave it like that. No one me okay. To me okay now. You're selecting exe just as you see here. So I'll just click on convert. Pa. Mimia converter. Give it some time. It's probably going to do the whole job, right? So yeah, where is it? Oh, so Mimia convert. Why is it not converting? Hey, okay, Mamiya merge all PDF files into one. Why is the convert button not working? But wait, oh, hold on. Why is the convert button not working? I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Mame here publish. Na me call publish. Na me say what? Aha. Tini am chole nyina ma chole go. File name mame friend no bookmaster. Story master. Right. Oh, Debbie, Charlie, it's not about the registration. No, I think it has something to do with where I started from. I say, oh, let me just click on the folder and then select the folder. Yeah. So caption. Let's see the advanced. Yeah, I think I have everything set already. Caption me and a story master. Okay, okay. I remember using Yache 10 years ago. 10 years ago. 10 years way back. 10 years ago. Ache papa me use Yache. So yeah, they call EXE. Any can build it for EXE. Aha, on say convert it. On say convert it. Every this year me open folder. Any one software any. This year as me run here. Boom! Wow! Hey, this thing. Back of over fucking no. I had them when you answer on watermark. I went to so. Hey, go for your phone. I had them when you answer on watermark. I went to so. Hey, over the watermark now went to so. Dang. Yeah, I'm interested in Jack. I'm crack it. And you're interested in Jack. And come crack it. Wow. In fact, we've really done. It's just a software. It's a software like this. It's a software. Okay, you have Mac and so you have Mac. Tianko Apple Mac. Now and also the same thing. Yen download it. Oh, nice. Mac in Suni. Mac ni. I was almost saying who send a Mac ni ebesi aye nana. Mo pese who am connected to any desk na men ka men kyerɛ mo. Mo pese who send ebesi appear o Mac so ana. Okay. Eba. Mame kyerɛ mo. Mame any ma me ba mame connected to any desk na men kyerɛ mo. All right, me connected to any desk. Yeah. Me person me connected to any desk. Me connected to me any desk or me Mac and so near. Okay. Any desk mame 20 seconds to connect. TN channel. 20 seconds. All right. But ebusuya sɛ mani agye ho I mean mani agye nea meyɛ no ho mani agye ho adesua no a yɛsua no do you love it like mani agye ho ana mani agye ho a ma me hu wɔ comment section ase like video no share na ka bibi wɔ comment section ase na afei san gift me ka ho what you say this year ma accept it. Me mark ni nie yeah me mark ni nie okay so from me mark no from me mark no yeah, the become Mac so right. So I have it here as a folder. So I'll just copy. Then I come to desktop. Aha. Now my paste it. My Windows V. Come on. Okay. Maybe my phantom drive so. My drive was anti my main phantom. No, me to me a copy. Or I can I think I can even drag and drop. Haha. Come on. Am I not allowing paste? Oh my goodness. Mamin copy. Mamin copy. My pen drive. I should have a pen drive. Okay. Okay. Mamin formatting my drive way so na me find you must see. Okay. My drive way age me mamin format so. All right. Me formatting me drive in this see. Ah. Oh yeah, yeah. I have to. Yeah. Okay. Right. All right. Me drive no essay. So I want to clear even the partition, create a new partition so it can run again. Okay, perfect. So let's see. Where is it? Mami na me san function na me. Mami call manage. Yeah, na me call disk manager. I think it's not having a letter since I created a new partition. Yeah, just as I said, you see any letter. So I have to assign a letter to it. Change letter, add a letter, yaman a letter I. Okay, perfect. There you go. We have it, letter I. So simple as that. Sini nyina chom se mabon. Eh. Okay, so yam copy name from Raha. Oh, yam copy name from Raha. Right. Hey, saa de na so kakra o. Ma me mfa me. Hey ni hye se na be ya. Yeah. Okay. So me two pen drive na frame. Na me de aba. Okay. So yam hwɛ from your MacBook and na aba wa ha. You see? And na aba wa ha. Any. Oh, hold on. The software is not eligible. What the? Hold on. Like how? I got it. Mimi use latest version of OS. Intino software we in the current version. A very old software. Okay, we need yen say file save project yen friend on bookmaster, right? Na yanko flip PDF professional website. Yen download your latest version. Flip PDF professional. Okay. Yamraha. Yen download your latest version now you install it. Hey. Go for my block it with a firewall. Hey, means say firewall. My block it IP so. They don't want IPs to be used there. Mame he. I mean, on my block here, any brand brand, you see, and your home. Mama, here we. Okay. So, my main call Google. Yeah. Flip book professional. Oh, I deal with caption. Yeah, me, yeah. Oh, really about them. So, I think, say, we. On some kind. Oh, hey, me MacBook way. Me wa VPN running. Me wa VPN running. So I have VPN. Me wa VPN running. I'm connected to Netherlands. Anything about no. Omo yi Africa free mo. Omo ye phone pa. Omo ton the same. Mami he. Omo ton the same. Mami he ton omo ton no na. Menti ase me who the reason why omo mpese. At the end of the day, mami he sika do omo ton no. Products. PDF video plus. Mami hair plus no ton the same. Oh, that's why $399. Why not pay? Wow, pay wow, pay mami who comment section I say. Wow, you interested? Mami who comment section I say. Why not pay? Ay, my goodness. Why not pay? Why not pay? Eh. 399. It is ya mboto anase mboto. Mobeto anase mboto. Hey, say baby Andre. Eba mami install the current version no. Mami mbie wo me Mac directory me copy wa. Na me mra me computer ni so. Na me paste wa. Yeah, me copy na maye. Okay. I don't know, but I think say it's because of say a year old version intra. Let me update the version by just installing to overlap it. You understand? Yeah. A plus nie. A plus nie. A plus nie. Okay. Mame say I think say newer version ebe to maybe. I believe so. I think say newer version no will work. Me and launch ni enhwe. Also my block it Ghana. Ghana de ne ade aya abrofo yi. Eso mara o. TN open project. Story master. Hold on. My main code document na me. I think it might probably be in a document. Flip PDF project. Yeah. Yeah, it work. It yen sam build the yen publish it near Vanco MacBook. Near some latest version if it allows MacBook builder yen share. Yeah, I think maybe this might work. Okay. Yeah, I think this might work. I think. Okay, yɛnhwɛ. Yeah, this time yɛnhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma. Where was it? Story Master. Story Master.zip. Is it this one? Okay. My main copy. Na memra me MacBook nim from any desk. Na me paste na me hade. Paste item. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh my goodness. I was here for I didn't me copy paste any you. Yes, I'm sad the share drive anymore. Eba. Yeah, my main sound fan to drive this. So this is it. Copy. And now the upper my main exporting Fanco drive in this straight. My main exporting Fanco drive in this straight. Yeah, my main exporting Fanco drive in this. Okay. To drive in any. My main friend in new. Na main fam raha. Okay, I think we are done, Anessa. Yeah, we are Anessa. Yeah, we are. Pacho, follow me, I follow me. Say, follow me, follow me. Like it, I like it. Go ni mo, chema dear da, and net dear gift me be. What do I say? Net dear gift me be. Why? Follow me, I follow me. Chema dear da, ne chema dear. Gift me, wa live nesubina. Yanko mi we are maybe a line atum. Me we are maybe a multi guest natum. Wa pese obusa question bia obetumi abusa. And yesua yes how you can sell these kind of things, how you can make digital products. Yeah, to me a whole book. What I say, yeah, a whole book. And trust me, is amazing. Is amazing. Okay, I think say new. Every yeah, every I think say every okay. Oh, every yeah na. Okay. While saying we you know, yanko chat GPT. Someone him say chat GPT near the yard. It yanko chat GPT. Nyan can say now with HTML, CSS, CSS and CSS, let's create a landing page which will use which will be used to sell this book. Okay. Into your know about my landing page. On about my landing page, a very very nice landing page. Yeah, the bet to me at home. Yeah, and two person all ton or the ton book now, and no answer about my landing page. Come on. Okay. All right. Enti yenhwe okay. Oh, and no I be added all the JavaScript in there. Yeah, I think so. And no I be added all the JavaScript in there. Yeah. Okay. That's all. Me ba ne pese me koda o. Me ba ne pese me koda. On pese me ye adwuma. On pese dada koda. Okay. So, yenhwe. Uh yeah. Nah, I think this is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Aye. This is not right. This is not right. But all the same, ube to me, aye. What I say, you can do it, and then it's actually going to be very nice. Just feel free, and then do whatever website you want to do with it. Yeah, I say yeah. Oh, I read. Okay. So let's see. So Miss Sunday cost you. All right, yeah, sure. Let's go back to the Now for young drive in the scenario. Any 30. Oh yeah, but any. Yeah, tia could new anymore. Ah, me kind. Oh Zaba. Yes, mom. Mom Zaba. Tisia me bia is supposed to open the book. It's supposed to open the book. NBA Diana is a Kovanko de no Jim. It's supposed to open. Yeah, chairman in be a baby is here. A baby is here. Yeah. Oh, a baby, a baby. Uh-huh. Is it opening? Oh, Bacho, as I check. As I check. As I check. Wow. 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 Charlie, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hey, I swear the thing be nice. Hey, Ekofo them go kill us. Oh. I was in the Mac version. So it was software and what build yeah. You can do it for both Windows, Mac, and then also website. Make me export here on a website. Make me export here on a website. And there is one particular thing you guys never knows. Let me tell you. Adeɛ baako bi wɔ hɔ a munim. Wunim sɛ mekyerɛ wo adeɛ bi o. Wunim sɛ sɛ mekɔ ɛyɛ edit hɔnom na there are some amazing stuff I could do. Trust me. Mekɔ edit page hanom na from edit page at the mbeba ha. And do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? Let me show you something. Do you know that? Wunim sɛ sɛ meba hanom na sɛ meba hanom na this page I can add a button. Shadio, I can add a button. And I say be I add a YouTube video, right? Click on it and come and draw. So you could just click on it and then you draw here. You see, you can embed a YouTube video. And on this page, it can play the video. Just like that. Just like that. Me de wuni mi sene ya na me ye no. Eya na me ye ni say. Me come on. Na ma fa button. Button, it was so many styles. So this one is probably going to be suited by this one. Then I draw it here. You see? Like this. Right? So button way, a background color. Yeah. So me call background. By that time, that my favorite too. This was my favorite because who to me customizing a yeni a person yeni bia Charlie. Trust me. So caption there was no yen no ebia play me. Okay. Near the play me text atoso. Font size yen no kesiye kakra. On say yen kwara. Enti yen no kesiye kakra. Oh, caption position no yen fan ko ebia yen fan mranachi. Yeah. Hey, na play no mind apply me no. Hey, I go for Benjamin. O. Play no mind apply me. I go for Benjamin. Okay. So now with Wayno, our background color. Yeah. You see that it has reflection. We can add reflection. You see? Then it adds a very nice reflection. You bet to me add I think said the last time I was able to remove a background color be na white view. I was able to remove it. I think I was able to remove it. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Me use yache. Sincerely. Me use yache. Me use yache. Papa. Me use is almost 10 years. Ni. So let me see. Oh, bye, Jai. Man, feature. Let me see. Charlie me who. Me best me stress me home baby because me who. I don't see it. Okay, but right now, button where you see this action, click on action. We can say show a modal, show a modal. Oh, any open YouTube Vimeo pop up any. Oh, then you say open by clicking on the play. Open pop window to play. Open pop window play Vimeo. So we are playing YouTube video. Perfect. Now we copy the video ID near the abaha. So let me show you how we get the video ID. Very simple. Yemra YouTube. Yonko YouTube. Oh, na mami ya oye Choco TV. Why. Nkora mami finger where ya. Tiama say kids story. Okay. Aha. Today I'm fan say be a BB way. Maybe a video way, right? It is a video way and our pa. You just was a happy click on it like this. No, I copy video no ID no. You see, then you come here, you paste the ID here. Who paste the ID no waha. Who we are no we mia okay. Who we are no baby mia save and exit. Now we have a play button. Hey, me de to so on. Edrobianka dem. Edrobianka dem. Edrobianka dem. Mimia sonso a. Pa. Nice one. Oh, video is not configured. Hold on, let me go to edit and see why. Let me click on the play action pop-up video ID. I think it only needs the ID. So why? Okay, be a YouTube or more new policies, no? I think they've updated a whole lot. So maybe I have to copy ID, copy video URL. Yeah. So if I copy all the video URL, is it gonna work? Oh yeah, this is the ID. Hold on. This is the ID. Oh mommy. Oh, how am I doing? Okay, let's click on OK. Save and exit. Yen try her. Play. It's still not coming. Hey, right, we use the check. Hey, mommy, Biana. This time, no, me to me. Aye, because me use yache. Sincerely, me use yache. Ache, papa. Mommy zan try beam na me. Play. Video player configuration error. Yeah. Anyways, this is what we've done so far, and I myself I really appreciate it. Maybe I mami be multi guest in into more person and make kasano. Let me know what person on make kasano pacho brasso. What person on make kasano brasso. Maybe I may be multi guest natum. What person on make kasano me pacho brasso. Pacho brasso ni ninkomo adama. Okay. AJ Styles. AJ Mbacho meba. Obiba Rapture meba. Jina munyina so ma me switch. May you need to solar. Why? Me switch me light need to solar Mbacho meba. Meba mjo meba o. Okay. Yeah, meba cho yanga sir.
Good evening.
Yes sir, good evening.
Yeah, meba cho me buy na very late.
Okay.
I wanted to ask idea we no record na.
Yeah, me record it. It's called YouTube. Now go subscribe to Ike Tech in Tree. Oh, go subscribe to Ike Tech in Tree. My main searching show. So go YouTube see ya. na search ono
Okay.
abo Ike Tech in tree. IKETECH in tree. That
Okay.
was well. Ike Tech in tree.
Okay.
Eni oba hanoma ubehu ni say we channel we na meka ho asem. That was well.
Okay.
Ye wie ya me upload di ato.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right.
Timo
So,
amon subscribe ni nyina mon kon
I've
subscribe.
gone into your DM. I was asking for your number. See, I know where DM your number.
Me
So
ba
that
chomate.
maybe.
Me ba chomate. Me
Now,
de me
maybe
number be mo.
me give to TikTok. Yeah, now what the baby cry.
Oh
Okay.
sir.
I am a yapa.
Oh kafra se me ba ni nti.
Yeah,
Me de
40 ni bra.
me de me ba ni sie kakra ntra.
But I also give to another one.
Ba just say
My gift is 2 times cry.
oh sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah me be so nka me pese obebe mu. Kama okay, enye
Next time.
well,
Okay,
thank
so
you
I'll
very
go
much.
there and search. Alright. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right.
In fact, I like your lesson, pa.
Thank you.
You have to teach me more. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Really
Okay.
appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. All right, but next person. But mom follow me, but you follow me. Why? Yeah, boss man, but you meet you.
Mr. Ike, Empomo,
But when I say,
you had me who I say, your first time, my have better dance about program, but and I'm a chosen to the same lessons now watch learning a software we use. Now, we share the same thing here.
okay, so cause subscribe to YouTube channel no. Me the video never tour. In fact, you are spending almost 2 hours. So me kwa mame
Okay.
stop na me uploading the prep. Send be ya mo betumi